once again a very good afternoon to you all. Now that we are on our way, I'd just like to add my welcome to that of our flight crew. My name is Craig. It's my pleasure to be in flight manager for today's flight to Dubai. A special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club today, and of course those of you joining us from one of our One World Alliance partnered airlines. As we continue our climb now, may I remind you to keep your seatbelts securely fastened. However, they must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs above your head are illuminated. Do take care when opening the overhead lockers. Some items may have shifted around during our takeoff, and these could fall out and cause injury. For those of you travelling with us in our Club World cabin today, please do take care that your personal electronic device does not fall within the seat. If it does, please do not move the seat and let one of the crew know immediately so that we can assist you. Well, on board our Airbus A350 today, we are pleased to offer you our Wi-Fi service. To connect, you can join the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com and discover the packages available. We do ask that all phones are placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and do note that video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during our flight. Well, once it's safe to do so, the cabin crew will be commencing today's in-flight service. We'll begin our service today by offering you a drink from the bar, and we will then be serving you with a hot meal in all cabins. This will be accompanied by drinks, and we will then after this service be offering you the choice of tea or coffee. We will serve another light meal before landing into Dubai. However, please do not hesitate to let us know if you'd like any further drinks throughout the flight by using your call bell. Alternatively, you can visit the crew in the galley. We'll be happy to assist. If you do have a food allergy or you would like specific information on allergens on board, then please do contact any member of the crew. One final reminder, for the safety of us all on board, it is mandatory that you do wear your face covering at all times. Unless you are consuming food or drink, the same also applies if you're resting or sleeping. Please do ensure that you have a face mask on. Well, finally, our flight crew have mentioned we have a flight time in the region of 6 hours and 15 minutes. We are a team of 11 crew in the cabin today. If there's anything that myself or anyone of the team could do to make your journey more comfortable, please do just ask us. But you know, to sit back, relax, enjoy the hospitality of British Airways. Thank you.